Hi, it's EasyFix. In this episode, I will show you how to solve the problem with no power in your lighter outlet in the car. I'm turning on ignition of the car and there is no reaction in the lighter outlet. So before we will dig out more in this place and we'll open anything here, so we'll spend more time, we can go to the fuses box and check what's happening over there. So you can check on the list of your fuses which fuse is responsible for the lighter. And as we can see, in this car, number 2, it's supposed to be responsible for the lighter outlet. But as we can see, this fuse is okay. So, what I did here, I checked all of the fuses, all around, all of them. And I found out that fuse number 14, which is blower fan, was burnt. So, what we can do, here we have spare fuses. We can find number 14, it's a fuse with value 15. And here we find the proper fuse. It has to be the same value as original one to provide the proper conductivity for the current, and the proper fuse will not cause any circuit, any closed circuit, so it will not burn anything. And number 14, I'm placing this here. Here is also the schedule of fuses, but it's unfortunately in different language. It's in Belgium. So now what we can do, we can turn on ignition one more time, and what we see, our power outlet is working, which is wonderful, because the same kind of fuse in this car is Mercedes W202. It's responsible for the light in the glove box. So we have two birds in one stone. Everything works perfectly. We can assume that the problem is solved. Have a beautiful day. Don't have a good day. Have a great day.